Yo, YouTube, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? Your boy Rich, man. See, we got a little bit of sunshine today, ain't too bad.
So, man.
What's going on with you, man? Yeah. Y'all see who pull up on me? UPS. You come to bring me a box, man?
Yes, sir.
Y'all see it? What that thing say?
Parts.
Man, look at here. He see we're over there in the yard, so he know we about to have some fun with that box right there, man. Shoot, what's good with you, though,
good,
man?
How you doing?
Shit, can't call it, man. Can't call it.
You working on cars?
Yeah, man. You see the Box Chevy over there? Yeah.
Where? Oh, I see it, Bob. I see it. Burn that Malibu.
Yeah, you got you on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Google your boy Rich Everythang.
You already know it.
You feel me? My UPS guy come through here. Y'all see how it is, man. Yeah.
Hope with the locks.
I know that's right.
All right, man.
Yeah. So UPS just slide through right quick. You know what I'm saying? Quick little box. Quick little box for. See what we got going on right here. Wait, oh yeah.
Yeah, it was about 1 o'clock tonight.
Yo, so you too. I'm back. That was actually my neighbor walking up and telling me or asking me, did I know I leave my light on last night? So, YouTube, I'm out here getting to it. You know, with this time change and all, you gotta be on it. So, I'm actually working on the little lady Malibu right now. So, y'all. Well, some of y'all might not know what it is that I had to do to the Malibu, so I'm gonna fill y'all in on that right quick. Let me turn y'all around. Yeah, so y'all see me right here, kind of batting this thing back down now. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'll tell y'all right now, if y'all watch my YouTube page, y'all know I had to repair this bumper. Now, the body work and repair, great. As for the paint store and matching up the color, well, I'm just gonna say they ain't did too shiesty on that. But we're gonna have to live with it for now. She ain't got no scratches on the front. I had to put the bumper back on the car. You know what I'm saying? This right here, really late for me putting the bumper on the car, but yeah, we got the scratches and all out. So overall, the paint and everything, the repair was good. It's just, you can see right here, whole different color. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of me going and buying more paint, man, I'm just gonna take this thing to the dealership, Chevrolet dealership, and let them do what it is they do. You know, this is, the paint store that I went to actually called and got the paint coat and everything before they started mixing it up. So, I mean, to each his own. I ain't gonna knock them on that. They tried their best to do what it is they had to do. So, with that being said, hey, all I can do is live with it for right now. I got a couple of things on the agenda. And matter of fact, let me get down to it, because y'all just saw me before I turned the camera off. Y'all probably said, well, dang, Rich, you just all over the place. But UPS brought a box, and we got some toys in there. So I know y'all probably wondering what it is we got on there, or got in the box. Whew. Got them screws in. Still got to put the screws on the bottom. Got to get me some two-sided tape so I can put that emblem back on there. And throw my plate back down now. But, yeah. Y'all can see I got some sanding to do, of course. So I am all over the place today. So I'm gonna get out here and actually bust down that little bit of sanding on this top and everything. But to go ahead and get to the point, I know a lot of y'all probably saying, well, damn, Rick, when you can be done with the top? That final stage right here, man. We just gonna go ahead, sand that right there, and bim, 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 that's it. Then, of course, door panels in the back. I already got the design for that. Already made out. But if y'all stay tuned, let me get this bumper on here. I got a little run I gotta make. Might take y'all, let y'all see what I'm going to do. You know what I'm saying? And tell y'all why I'm doing it. And then we get to the box. So just stay tuned. Yeah, so I told y'all I had a little run to make. So, y'all know what time it is. Time for me to take care of some business. What's going on, boss man? Hey, buddy. Come to pick that, yeah. So they gonna want to play big, huh? Let's play then. Let's play then. Who's it? I don't know. Look, one more good look. I don't know. That's just a little peep, man. Go tell him, go run and tell somebody. Your boy Rich. Yeah, scrap up. Work truck. Stay tuned. Yeah. What's good, man? I'm back. I know I took all day to get to y'all, man. Y'all probably said, man, Rich tripping, cuz. Rick got too much going on. No, the weather got too much going on. It didn't get cold on me, man. I had stuff I had to take care of. I had to get the Malibu bumper on. Man, look at here. I had to lay that last coat of mud. You know what I'm saying? Got the sanding on the top. I'm ready to start cutting the trim out from around the glass, so I can go ahead and get a nice little smooth on that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all saw me put the switch up or put the switch together on a video for y'all. If y'all didn't, make sure y'all peep that video out, man, for all y'all people that's trying to get these panoramic roofs to work. That video is up. It's a how-to video, so it's straight to the point, discreet. You know what I'm saying? What they call them? See, my mind going blank. You know that's how you know you done did a whole lot for the day, man. Reverse polarity is basically what it is, man, just so I can get to the point. But y'all already know what it is, man. I know y'all been waiting all day long to see what's inside the box. Well, it ain't my box though. I ain't know my boy Toot. Where you at? I got to scream halfway across the house just to ask Toot where you at. Toot, where you at, Toot? Toot, where you at, Toot? They looking for you on YouTube, dog. They want you to come open your box, dog. Hey, Toot 13-year-old now, so look at her. I'm going to put the blade on the box. Toot old enough to open the box by itself. So, you know what I'm saying? Any of y'all saying, wow, you got a 13-year-old handling the blade. Yeah, he 13-year-old. He know how to handle the blade now. When he was 12, you know what I'm saying? I know he was a little underage, but he still knew what he was doing then. But you know what I'm saying? I just like to follow the guidelines. So with that being said, man, we ain't going to hold y'all up no more, man. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to let Toot show y'all what he got in the box. Ooh. Toot, are you ready? I'm about to cry. Hold on. So we got the camera on Toot. Toot, before you start, man, let me get a cold drink out your out the little off the refrigerator. Y'all see the fridge, man. Excuse the bedroom shoes right now. You feel me? See if I can pop this drink right open. We just came from the basketball court. My throat was like mad dry. I needed that. So, we in here. I just had the blade for you too. Oh, there you go. Get to the blade. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. Back this thing up a little bit. Let Toot cut his box open. Little something he ordered. He came to me and he did his own research, you know what I'm saying, and kind of got the job done. I'm real proud of him, you know what I'm saying. He spent his own money, you know what I'm saying. So that's another big thing for me, or a big thing for him. Y'all seen. Alright, close them up. I'll close them up for you. Y'all got to excuse my office, man. It's like junky, man. I'm trying to put stuff away. I'm trying to put boxes in the storage, but I got motor parts in the store. Ooh. Whoa. What you got in there, boy? Oh. What you got in there, Toot, boy?
I got them wires.
Hey, dog. Toot got some wires, cuz. Now, Toot, I don't get it now, cuz you already got wires to run the motor. So, what them wires right there for? For that what? So, you ain't going with that Camaro dash. Ah, see, let me tell y'all something. Toot got smart, cuz. Toot said we not fitting to go around here, you know what I'm saying, wiring up no crazy stuff, starting no fires. We gonna put the right wires in that thing. So Toot came to me and Toot said, Dad, guess what I found? I said, what? Toot say, I find the wiring harness. I say, the wiring harness for what, Toot? He said, I find the wiring harness for the Camaro dash. It got everything on. I said, I need to check that out. Whole day went by. We sat down later on that night. He said, Dad, you gonna take a look at the wire harness? I said, yeah, Toot, I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna edit the video. He came back again later on, you know what I'm saying, long story short. But he was real, you know what I'm saying, he was real like detailed about it. He was like, yeah, see, you know, if we use the wires, we could hook up the radio and all that other stuff, you know what I'm saying, the AC. So I started thinking about it, and I ain't gonna lie to you, like, I was like, okay, that sound like it'll work. So, show y'all that thing once again, man. Toot went and ordered off of his eBay page. Toot went and ordered. Let me find out, Toot. Hold on now, let me find out. You know, I know a little something. Let me see something here. See what Toot got going on. Let me see what Toot got going on here now. I'm a wire man. So Toot, 3487 auto dash, 3487. Toot, I can tell you what you got right here, right now. Dog. You ain't fooling nobody, Toot. Toot, you ain't fooling nobody, Toot, dog. You right here come out the SS Camaro. So Toot got the wire harness for the SS Camaro. After he ordered that thing, he gonna send me a screenshot of the confirmation. But I ain't gonna lie, he did a good job. So now, one thing you didn't order though, Toot, and I guess that's my part that I gotta jump on. You know you still need the BCM for this, right? Cause they ain't seen you no BCM. But the BCM, I can get you a BCM to work with that. Cause your BCM is just it's like the small module that tells everything else what to do. So I can get your BCM, but you did a good job on getting the wire and harness and picking that stuff right there out. But you know, I know you anxious to get this thing right here done. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get you right. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you coming to me, and you know, this is my business partner right here. I appreciate you coming to me and getting that thing in line. So, this is what it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull that dash out tomorrow. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna pull the cluster out. I'm gonna go ahead and get you a diagram for these wires and let you know where everything plug up to, and then that way, oh, you get to learn now, cause you plug and play. See, all before when I had to cut wires and put wires together, that was my job. Exactly. Now you can plug and play now. So we gonna see how bad you want it. If I get the dash in there, that means you plug everything else up. You good though, cause you got the fuse box and all. Well, look at it, man. He got smart too, dog. He ordered he got the fuse box and all, still in line with everything. That's how you do it, though. I can't knock my boy on that one right there. I'm gonna give it to you on that. I'm gonna give it to you on that. You did that one right there. But man, look at here. You know your boy keeps something to do. I got a G6 top. I gotta go over here and slam this glass back in there. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull this harness out. I'm gonna pull a diagram up. Go ahead and sit that aside inside the box. Y'all saw probably a little skit or whatnot that I put in there showing y'all where the top was at. I'm ready to jump back in this car. So now that Toot done got this right here, it's a go on the Camaro dash swap. So y'all see it. I don't know what to tell y'all except follow your boy Toot JT Verified, J.T.Verify on Instagram, and your boy Rich _everything with A on Instagram. And the music is down in the description. I keep talking about the music is down in the description, man. Make sure y'all hit that link, man, and check that music out, man. Because I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I know a lot of people always saying they spit fire. I spit the truth. I spit the truth. So go check that right there out, man. I mean, when y'all hear it, just some little stuff that I went through, man. Some little tick for tax, man. But, you know, we out with the old and then with the new, man. It is what it is, man. So, yeah, y'all make sure y'all push that like button, push that subscribe button, push that bell for post notifications. Man, look at here. Let's go ahead and get to it. We back inside the car. I'm going to go ahead, bust the sanding down tomorrow, because I told y'all I know y'all was sick of seeing that top. Go ahead and bust the sanding down tomorrow, man. Trim that top out. Bim, bim, bim. So now y'all can see me go ahead and work on getting this dash in the car. This ain't gonna take that long, but this is the fun part. I be loving this part right here. You know what I'm saying? Them door panels. I got that, I showed y'all where I had the mock-up of the design right here. That Toot approved. So, man, look at here. We definitely fast forward and not Toot. What you think? Huh? Toot say yeah. Y'all know what time it is, man. Send them out, Toot.